Mr. Pradeep from Unichem today with us, and he was one of the participants of Pharma Masterclass on risk profiling. And we would like to we will welcome you again, sir, and like to understand what is the takeaway from this kind of a workshop from today.
Yeah, let me at outset thank Bombay Chamber of Commerce and all the speakers for educating me, because I was little odd man out in today's conference, but I was willing to know what exactly, because we know insurance only from the point of view of our car policies and insurance policies of life. But this has been a great intellectual and informative talk, and really I got more educated by going through all speakers' speeches. I mean, that's what I want to take to my legal and projects team, when I go back to my corporate office.
We are glad to hear that, and we would like to understand if you can suggest any of the topics that you would like to hear from us and participate in.
Yeah, like what Jui and Uttara had said, in earlier talks. I mean, they were more on technical aspect, or rather I should go to the deeper details of technical aspects of insurance policies, what the companies have to see from the point of view of export in regulated, semi-regulated and in domestic market. I think that should be carried forward to each and every pharma industry, and we being the ultimate, because in pharma industry the customer is a patient, unlike the other industries like FMCG, where I have already worked with J&J and Procter & Gamble, so I know where the customer's liking on the aesthetic look of the product is more preferred, while here the metabolic rate with which the drug interacts with your post defense mechanism interacts, so that point is to be more well taken care of.
I would frankly ask you whether you like the setup that we had today, wherein more of buyers were in presence than the other stakeholders. Would you like to have a different combination, or you would like to continue with the same kind of a philosophy for presentations?
Yeah, what I feel is in such conferences or rather workshops or seminars, people from the same company with various departments to be involved, because this is the interactive session where some of the inputs are given by regulatory, quality control, quality assurance, as well as projects team. So if that is taken forward to our agencies, like we have headquarters in New Jersey, so I can transmit the same data for the basic guidelines which are coming up for my, say, bioequivalence, bioavailability, or the risk management on my drug profiling. So that can be taken care of,
It's a very, very good suggestion. We'll definitely take care of that, and try to invite more of insured side and from the other department as well for this kind of presentations. We thank you very much for participating, and we would definitely call upon you when we are organizing the new series in the coming year.
Yeah, thank you so much. It's my pleasure too, and I once again thank all the speakers for educating us. So nice of you.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Good day.